Ozone presents Trinity Series OZ-FDL22RBL STD digital lock for wooden and metal doors. Open with Fingerprint. To open the door from the outside, input the registered fingerprint on the scanner. The door lock will unlock automatically. Open with mechanical key. Insert mechanical key and rotate it clockwise. Pull mechanical key to unlock the door. Lock from inside. Lift the handle upward and door will be locked. Lock from outside. Lift the handle upward and the door will be locked. Emergency battery backup. If the batteries are completely discharged, then use external power supply through the USB interface on the terminal located at the front lock panel. You can now access with a registered fingerprint or mobile app to open the door. Remove the battery cover and loose the screws. Replace batteries immediately with new batteries after opening the door. Note: always use high-quality, ultra-power alkaline batteries for better performance. Attach and secure the battery cover. Contact Ozone Customer Care for more assistance. The Trinity Series digital lock from Ozone, designed for your safety, your security, your protection.